Yo guys, molweni namkelekile nonke kwezichisa be entertainment. Ayisebuhlungu inhliziyo yami guys, ndiphuma ku TikTok. Unobuhle, who was the wife to Sibongiseni? I can't even believe into bandithi who was the wife. Like kwenzakala ntoni beginning of 2026 baninzi abantu abanye they are calling off engagements. Perfect couples ebesizibona ke phayana ke ku social media. But anyways ke unobuhle nansi into ayibhalile ngomtshato wakhe phayana ke ku Instagram guys. Uthi guys, I am no longer with my guy wakhe ke uSibongiseni, the husband. Ubunyumba bami bunginyundelile. I'm so sad because bengisamthanda kakhulu umyeni wami. Uye wabonga ke isonto lakhe laseNazarethi. Uthi nje, you've showed me the greatest love. Ngiqale kuphi nje ngibonge. Ningifundisile izinto ebengingazazi, ngifika nje enkonzweni yenu nangitshengisa ukungamkela nokungithanda. I'll continue to attend imihlangano emikhulu uma sengi-healed kahle. Ibandla has nothing to do with izifundiso nezenzo and character yamyeni wami. Uyena owanikezwa a beautiful hard-working woman wazihlulekela ukumphatha kahle. Ngiyabonga Nazaretha kakhulu. Uphinde ke wabonga ama-fans akhe. Uthi, I'm so sorry to everyone obesithanda, or rather obethanda ukusibona siguga ndawonye, but akwenzakalanga. I decided to go back home to my mommy before I lose myself. However guys, I wish you well and your kids bakhule kahle. I'll never forget you guys. Yaze yabuhlungu the last part. But yeah guys, these people have only been married for asibaleni sonke from 2022 nakhona end of 2022 ngoSeptember 23, 24, 25 u3 years. And ungitshela ukuthi nje uguy ebengakwazi ngisho ukulinda, just ukumlinda ukuthi at least abekezele abone ukuthi after 10 years izingane azenzeki. It's not like also uguy akanazo ingane, unazo ingane. So what was the rush? Why ebemrasha kangaka? Also because icawe yakhe allows for yena uba makathathe isithembu, why ebengathathi omnye umuntu? It means vele nje ebe against umntana kwabantu. Khona ke abathi usesinobuhle usemncinci mhle kakhulu, usenokumfumana omnye umyeni and usenokubafumana abantwana. So yeah guys, nazo indaba ezibuhlungu and ndiniphathele zona during this hour. Ndacela guys maske si-engage. Let me know your thoughts and zonibona shortly. Bye guys.